Hey, it's Tuesday, which means it's our tips and tutorials of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osaseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we're gonna follow up last Tuesday's fruit smoothie video with how to make a whey protein smoothie. Basically what I do is I take almond milk. Once again, I like almond milk. I'm gonna pour 2 cups and dump it in. And then I'm gonna take my bananas. I like to put bananas in mine. Okay, the next thing is I'm gonna take my whey protein, and my secret ingredient is peanut butter. Gotta put peanut butter. And voila. And I like peanut butter because it's such a strong taste, so you don't have to put a whole lot to really taste it, which I really like. And then we blend. Okay, so as you can see, it's not really thick. It's a little bit watery for my liking, and so all you do, if you like it a little bit thicker, is just dump a little bit more ice in there. And voila. Nice, thick smoothie. Bon appetit. And guys, lastly, it's also important to make sure that your smoothie is to your own liking based upon your dietary needs. And so if you're somebody that wants to stay more full off your smoothies, I'd recommend using seeds like flax seeds, which are high in fiber protein. That way your smoothie can also give you that protein that you need and help you to stay feeling full longer. So as usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button, enjoy your smoothie. Let's do this again sometime.